Understanding, Fearing the Worst. A guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, fearing the worst. Understanding phrases like these can really help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you get comfortable with this expression. Fearing the worst is a phrase that expresses a feeling of anxiety or concern about the most negative outcome in a situation. It's when someone is worried that the worst possible scenario might actually happen. This phrase is often used in situations of uncertainty, where the outcome is unknown but there's a possibility that things might turn out badly. You can use fearing the worst in various contexts, from personal experiences to global events. It's suitable for both formal and informal situations. Here are some examples. Personal concerns. When John didn't come home at his usual time and wasn't answering his phone, his family started fearing the worst. Professional contexts. The investors were fearing the worst when the company's stock prices started to plummet. Global or community events. As the storm approached, the whole community was fearing the worst, preparing for possible devastation. To help you understand this phrase better, let's look at it in a few sentences. 1. After the accident. After hearing about the massive accident on the highway, I was fearing the worst for the safety of those involved. 2. Missing person. When my dog went missing after the storm, I was fearing the worst. But thankfully, we found him safe and sound. 3. Before results. Waiting for the results of the medical tests, she was fearing the worst, hoping for some positive news. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different scenarios, highlighting the versatility and emotional depth it can add to your English communication. Fearing the worst is a powerful expression that conveys deep concern and anxiety about a potential negative outcome. It's a phrase that can add emotional depth to your conversations and writings in English. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase effectively in different contexts. Remember, learning these expressions can make your English more fluent and expressive. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.